Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Happy Moment. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own recipe of vanilla caramel ice cream mix that you can make instantly and you can enjoy with friends or alone at any time of the day. Especially good for those nights when you want to chill a little after work or school. So let's start and hope you like it. So the things you'll need to make our ice cream are a spoon or spatula for the ice cream, a dessert spoon to eat, some cupcake liners or a dish to serve it, a bowl, some whisks or an electric mixer, and a measuring jug or measuring glass to measure the quantity of milk. As for the ingredients, you'll need 80 milliliters of whole milk, your favorite ice cream mix with your toffee bits, in this case is the caramel ice cream, so I've got my toffee bits here, and any other sort of decoration or garnish that you may want to put. For instance, I've got some sugar stars of 3 or 4 colors, and then I've got some frozen mandarin slices that I want to put to my ice cream. So let's start. So the first step to start with is tipping the ice cream mixture into a bowl and putting the caramel fudge pieces to one side. So we'll just open this and we will tip this gently like that, and we'll leave this to one side as well so that we can start adding the other ingredients. Then we're going to add the 80 milliliters of milk and we're going to whisk it until it looks like a whipped cream consistency. So like this. We pick the milk and we gently pour it and we whisk until sort of it thickens and it sort of looks like whipped cream. And after we have like a whipped cream consistency, what we're going to do is we're going to fold in the caramel fudge pieces for merging flavor and color. So we just pour them in and we grab a spoon and stir until it becomes equally incorporated. So we just pick a spoon and we just fold all those pieces like so. And in a while, it should be equal, incorporated through, just like that. See? And then essentially what I did was just scoop all the mixture into the beginning container, and what we're going to do now, it splits it into different cupcake liners and put it in the freezer for a couple of hours. So you shall see it in a couple of hours when this is completely done. And after a while you should have something which looks like a noticeable ice cream consistency. Finally, you can add some sprinkles, whipped cream, marshmallows, or any other decoration on top that you have at home. In my case, I've used some sugar star sprinkles that are pink, orange, yellow, and white. And I've also used some frozen mandarin slices for good measure on top. And that's it, guys. Just pick a spoon and enjoy your instantly made ice cream. I hope that you've enjoyed making this tasty little treat with me. Don't forget to like down below, comment, and subscribe for future videos. And also, don't forget to join me, Molly, and Toby for another episode of this happy world of amazing creations next week. See you soon, guys! Click here for more delicious recipes. Click here for a playlist full of amazing desserts. Or click here to subscribe to this happy world of amazing creations.